back, folks, to Johnny's Kitchen, part of the What's Next channel. Today we're going to make my spin of crispy chicken tinga tacos. What we're going to need today to make this is going to need about 2 pounds of chicken thighs. I already cut them up and diced them up for you. We're going to have some seasoned salt, some thick chunky salsa, pepper, some Montreal chicken seasoning, some diced onions, cilantro, and some lettuce for the tacos. Now on these, like I'm going with crispy today. A lot of people make them with the tortillas, salt tortillas, but today I'm gonna go with crispy tacos. So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna brown the meat. So we're gonna do that right now and come back. Okay, guys. So what I did was I put a little water in the bottom of the pan so we can saute it, and I added the 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt. Also added 2 teaspoons of pepper and 2 teaspoons of Montreal chicken seasoning. So once the chicken starts to get a little partially cooked, I'm going to add the cilantro and the onions. Okay, so once the chicken was halfway cooked, we added the cilantro and we also added the onions. What we're going to do now is just going to let this cook the rest of the way. And then we'll come right back when it's time to add the thick chunky salsa to the chicken. Now the chicken is all cooked and prepared. We drained some of the excess liquid out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the thick and chunky salsa. We're going to mix that up, get it nice and mixed and all the chicken covered. So let that simmer a little bit, and then we'll come back and plate it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. All right, so now that it's all finished, this is what the finished product looks like on the chicken. And over here, as you can see, is already been plated. So we got 2 tacos ready to roll with some rice and beans with a little cheese in the beans. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for the taste test. So let me grab one of these here. This is the best part of it. That's really, really good. Once again, another Johnny's Kitchen success. Once again, this is Johnny with What's Next. Please like and subscribe as we approach 8,000 subscribers. Till next time.